wise and very good at hunting and cooking. We like animals and cook them on a small fire. My sister likes catching chickens for our tea, unlike me who like mint leaves.
Hey guys! We eat on a fire and cook on a cooked chicken. We live in huts made out of sticks, leaves, bamboo and much more. We like making lots of things out of bamboo. We also eat various nuts, bananas, coconuts and other fruits. And we eat fish, deer and many animals with good meats on. We sometimes eat snakes and frogs and normally put herbs on them. And we also use herbs to make medicine.